Hello YouTube viewers, this is Dennis 25 2010, and this is my new breeding pair. It's a normal cinnamon and a normal gray male. They bred maybe 4 times that I've seen, and hopefully a couple days I can see eggs. This is I like them because they were kind of like my original pair. I had a cinnamon and normal gray male about 10 years ago, but I took them outside and opened the cage and they were gone. I'm not doing it to this pair. This is not the original cage. I just put them in here to take a video and show the viewers what I have. I have them and another pair set up in the exact same cage that is a lot bigger. I guess that's about it. You got any questions, leave me a comment and I will get back with you. Bye bye.